Hello guys! Ayan, good day to each and every one of you, mga sissy. And of course, we were revealing our maintenance, of course, mga sis. Syempre, despite of our looks like he is 40s and I am 30s. So, ayaw niya daw magpa-reveal ng kanyang age kasi nga yun. But actually, he is so proud kasi dahil kanina, pinakilala niya ako sa mga kasamahan niya, guys. So, yun, ang daming nag-ano sa kanya. Ang good feedback na, di ba guys, parang at his age, hindi halata. Tapos, alam niyo guys kung ano yung namin, secret namin is we were revealing this Collagy. Ayan. This product is made from Brilliant Skin Essentials, mga sisi. So, ang product na ito ay talagang super effective na pampalukyang, mga sisi. This is a collagen, of course.